Even you're blindfolded right here, even though you cannot see that dark, no, in there, I do see, no, na ikaw to na parang alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo, alam mo kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. That's the energy, but it looks like there's fear on this one. And also, I think you are getting emotional about this. Kinda sad. Let's see what's going on. Oh, someone here is showing a lot of passion for you. King of Wands energy. The King of Wands energy is someone here na sobra-sobra magpakita rito ng love, affection. I think this person here is really pursuing you. But it looks like this is you. You have an issue with this person here. But it looks like the person is not the issue. But I think there's an issue inside you. Yan. Altogether, we're gonna find out what's going on between the both of you, what really the situation here sa inyong dalawa. Let's get nosy. Okay lang ba? Okay lang ba makailan ako mga babes? Okay. Oh, what's going on? Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Your feelings are all valid, babe. Okay, without any judgment. Okay? Naiintindihan ko kayo. Yan. So before we dive deeper into this reading of yours, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. Good afternoon. So yan, hi po sa mga newbies, new subscribers. I'm Yan. Welcome, no? At sana magstay po kayo dito together with me pabalik-balik ng mga viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much because you're with me since day one, no? Not just here in YT, no? But simula't sa pool pa talaga. So, thank you so much. So, yun mga babes, no? Wala tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo. Welcome. And of course, no, ito ay timeless. Pwedeng tapos na sa iba, pwede naman nangyayari sa kasalukuyan at pwede namang hindi pa nangyayari at isang prediction pa lamang sa iyong future or sa inyong hinaharap. So, okay, mga babes, no, meron kayong free will at the end of the day, no, pwede nyo yung gamitin kahit na anong oras, no, at kahit saan paman. So, yan nga mga babes, no, itong reading na to, just take only what resonates at kung interesado rin kayong tumambay sa isa ko pang channel, ang link ay nasa ating description box, okay? So, here, from the looks of this, it looks like this is you. I think, I'm sorry kung nagalaw ko yung ating stand, no? So, I think mga babes, no, this is yung na parang gusto mong sabihin sa isang person dito, no, na nagmamahal sa iyo rito na, sorry, sinubukan naman kitang mahalin, pero hindi ko talaga kaya. Parang, it's like you're saying to this person here na, you're sorry because you cannot give back the love na binibigay niya sa'yo. So maybe this is someone here na gustong kumatok at makapasok sa iyong puso. Maybe this person here begged you, nagmakaawa sa iyo, na humingi ng tsansa, na subukan mong mahalin siya. So parang ikaw to, na sinubukan ko naman eh. Kaya lang hindi ko talaga kaya. Yeah. Parang it's like this is you, no? Miyane. Hindi mo talaga kaya. Yan. So, with the Lover's card energy, Eight of Swords energy, nakita ko naman that you've tried your best to accept this person in your heart because this is such a good guy or this is such a good lady or woman right here. But however, it's just that you cannot love him or her. It's okay. Cancanayo. Your feelings are all valid. You know, you look like someone who is cool sa paningin ko. You look so cool. You know why? Because you have that courage to tell this person with full honesty that you just can't love him or her. Anong nakaka-proud dun, Miss yan? Because you're not prolonging, hindi mo pinapahaba yung agony nitong person na 'to. Hindi mo siya rito pinaghihintay, hindi mo siya rito pinaasan ng matagal, 'no, na may tsansa. Tapos sinubukan mo pa siyang mahalin, pero hindi talaga nag-work. Maybe others of you, this is you. Doesn't have to be na meron ka ditong ibang minamahal, 'no, pero yung iba siguro meron, pero hindi kasi yun yung pinakatinutumbok ng reading natin dito. Meron man kayong ibang minamahal o wala, this is you. The theme na nakukuha natin dito sa energy na 'to is just that there's someone here who loves you so much, pero hindi mo yun kayang ibalik sa kanya. And this is somewhat here a very heartbreaking confrontation, revelation para sa taong ito. Okay? I'm seeing you right here feeling guilty. Don't be. Okay? Minsan it's not your fault anyway. It's not either this person's fault as well. Kasi minahal ka niya. Sinubukan mo. Pero hindi mo talaga kaya. Don't feel guilty about something here, especially if it involves your happiness. You're just coming out from this darkness. You just want to be free. Isa itong malaki at importanteng desisyon para sa'yo. Justice card energy. I'm seeing you walking away from this person right here after telling him or her the whole truth about your real feelings, about the real score sa pagitan ninyong dalawa. You know that this person here deserves someone better. And it so happened that it's not you. Yung ganito kabait na guy, yung ganito kabait na woman, na hindi mo kayang mahalin, alam mo na may ibang tao na mas karapat-dapat na tumanggap ng pagmamahal niya at hindi ikaw yan. Kasi nga, sabi ko sa inyo, posibleng meron kayong ibang minamahal because there are a lot of cups right here as well. And also, if that is not the case, if you're not loving someone else, I do see that this is you. Hindi mo lang talaga magawang mahalin siya. Kasi hindi mo lang talaga kaya. And your feelings are all valid and I understand you. It's okay. Don't feel guilty. Others of you, you're just thinking about this, hindi niyo pa ito nagagawa. You're just trying to set a schedule, kailan niyo ito gagawin, but you just want to be honest with this person of how you truly feel about him or her. This is not just something here na simple lang or dapat paglaruan. This is love. This is someone's feelings and emotions. And you are not someone here who play games. This person knows that. So I do see that this is you. You're feeling guilty about something here. And that is, hindi kita kayang mahal. Sorry. Ayoko rin na makita ng ibang tao, Five of Swords energy, Four of Swords right here, Tower. Ayoko rin na makita ng ibang tao dito na gumagawa ka ng mga bagay para sa akin. And then, hindi ko rin kaya magpanggap dito na may feelings ako for you. Ayoko lang na may sabihin sila sa'yo. Dahil sa akin. Yan. So I think this is somewhat here a very emotional conversation that you're planning to do and planning to schedule with this person here who loves you so much. You know, sometimes we just cannot control it. We cannot marry everybody who likes us, diba? What if two people likes you? What if three people likes you? What if more than five people likes you? Can you marry them all? No. You can only marry one person, isn't it? At ilan ba yung puso mo? Ilan ba yung damdamin mo? Ilan ba yung mind mo? Isa lang. Maybe may ibang nilalaman ng puso, isipan mo, damdamin mo. Maybe wala namang ibang minamahal na pero hindi mo lang talaga siya kayang mahalin. So you're letting go of this person here because you just can't love him. Just can't be with him. You're not seeing your future with this person here. Nine of Wands energy, Four of Cups right here, Seven of Wands. You want to offer your love to someone, Knight of Pentacles energy. You cannot see this person here right beside you up until eternity. That's what you're telling me. Even though I tried a lot, Miss Yan, hindi ko talaga siya kayang mahal. At hindi ko rin siya kayang saktan ng matagal. Dahil hindi niya deserve na masaktan. Dahil lahat ng binigay niya sa akin ay puros kabutihan lang. Napakabait niya sa akin, napaka-nice niya sa akin, napaka-thoughtful niya sa akin, lahat na Miss Yan. And I just can't be this person's major heart. Diba? Broken. Ikaw yung gagawa nun, ayaw mo nun. Pero even though, yeah, masasaktan mo siya sa desisyong gagawin mo, Justice card energy, at posibleng ma-feel guilty ka ba about this? You think this is the best thing to do? To set this person here free. Because yun na yun eh. If someone here, hindi mo nakita na parte ng future mo, or makakasama mo in the future, yun na yun eh. Just can't give that love. You just can't be with this person here without love. And that's what's missing. You do not love him. You do not love her. And that's enough reason to set this person free. And even though this person here, yung heart niya ma-broken-hearted about this, I think this is more valid reason instead of choosing to stay with this person here. But still, you can't love him. Diba? I think mas masakit yun, diba? So I do see that this is you. This is the best decision here. And let me just give my opinion dito, no? Not just an energy reader, but a friend mo, ikaw. If this is your reading. If ako yung nasa situation mo, I will also end this agony nitong person na to. Gagawin ko din na sabihin sa kanya in full honesty yung nararamdaman ko na hindi ko rin siya kayang mahalan. Just like what you are planning to do or what you did kung yung sa iba tapos nyo nang gawin to. Yeah, that's normal because you're human being. You will feel guilty about this, but at the same time, ito rin yung naiisip kong tama mong dapat gawin, babe. So bilang isang friend, not just an energy reader here, this is also the thing that I will do and that I must do in this situation. So, Don't feel guilty about someone. Just like what I've told you cannot marry everybody. At uunahin niyo yung happiness ninyo. So you're not happy with this person here. So you're gonna seek your happiness and true happiness somewhere else. You're gonna offer your cup of love, your sincere and pure love with someone else. And that's okay. That's okay. You're just following here your heart. You're just following here your intuition. You're just choosing here to be you. And that's what's important, diba? Okay? So don't feel guilty about this here, honey. This is something here na I know medyo difficult for you because you do not want someone to get hurt, diba? Okay? You do not want someone here to get hurt. And tama ka. You're ending this because you do not want to prolong this person's suffering. Kasi ramdam mo na nasasaktan rin siya, na hindi mo kayang ibigay yung love na binibigay niya for you. Isn't it? Isipin mo na lang ganito. You tried. You did not just tried it, but you also showed effort. But you just can't love him. And that's another story. Okay? It's okay. It's okay, babe. It's okay. Don't feel guilty about this. You're just human being. And this too shall pass. Understand? So yeah, this is a little bit challenging here for you guys, but I know that you can manage, no, na magkaroon rito ng solusyon, no, sa isyong kinakaharap ninyo. Okay? Tsaka, you know, your person, this person here na nakakonect ninyo, alam niya at naiintindihan niya where you're coming from. Alam niya na hindi mo rin siya kayang mahalin. It's just that this person here cannot really accept that 101%. Why? Because he loves you so much that he or she wants no one else other than you. Okay? But it's okay. It's okay. Find happiness kung saan mo makikita at matatagpuan ito. Dun ka pumunta. Arasa? So, yeah. Thank you so much mga babes for your time here, no? Kaya niyo to fighting. Yan, no? Muli ako po sa yan. Sarang iyo, love and light. Annyeong.